Hey there, creators and screen recording enthusiasts. Ready to unlock all the amazing pro features of AWZ Screen Recorder for Windows and even Mac? Don't worry, it's super simple, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, head over to the AWZ User Center. Just type awzware.com/usercenter into your browser and log in with your account. Easy start, right? Once you're in, scroll down the page until you spot the Redeem Activation Key section. It's hard to miss. Next, take a look at the list of products and find the one you want to redeem. Got it? Awesome! Now, grab that activation code you received. It's your golden ticket. Copy it, paste it into the Insert the Activation Key field, and double-check to make sure it's correct. When you're ready, hit that Submit button with confidence. If all goes well, you'll see a cheerful Activated Successfully pop up. That's your cue. You're almost there. Finally, just open the AWZ Screen Recorder program and log in using the same email you used in the User Center. Boom! You're now unlocked and ready to explore all those pro features. See? Quick and painless. Now go capture those epic moments, create tutorials, or record whatever inspires you. Happy recording!